Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create greatest LinkedIn profile if you are looking new opportunity or open to work. So using my tips and tricks and make your profile very attractive, fancy, and number of HRs are contact you related on job description. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply first of all, I will explain how to make greatest LinkedIn profile using my profile example. So look at this. Currently I put it here, open to work. Every day I am receiving 2-3 messages related on HRs. So look at this. I will show you like a proof here. 3 days ago related message I am receiving, 2 days ago message I am receiving. So such kind of message I am receiving because of I am making my profile is very strong. So how to make strong profile? So look at this here. Especially you just simply click here, open to work as a job preferences. If I'm looking new opportunities, my specialization is a natural language processing, data science, project specialist, NLP, speech processing, and workplaces. I already decided here workplaces like on-site, Hyderabad, and remote. So job location, currently I am looking in Copenhagen, Canada, Germany, Sweden, and Berlin. Job location as a remotely, as well as I am selecting starting date immediately or fixable depend upon, but I am selecting here immediately or actively applying. So this key point is very important if you are looking new opportunity. So job type, currently I am looking full time and contract, not part time, internship, temporary. No, it's my requirement, your requirement, accordingly you select and then simply save. So this is a tips number 1, and these tips are generating the first position. And then scroll down here. Next point comes here, about us. About us related, I'm explaining here I have 9+ year experience in artificial intelligence empowerment. I am building machine learning project like unsupervised, supervised learning, and I am explaining here my basic key point of my expertise. Accordingly you put it here, one paragraph. Second paragraph I am put it here my entire education. So like I completed my PhD and MPhil in computer science. Those qualifications are higher level of in my expertise. As a responsibility point of view, I am put it here, I am working 2-year industrial experience as a team lead, and which types of project I build here, how many algorithm expertise I have. So accordingly I am put it here. So your expertise you can put it here, one paragraph or one line. Which programming language I am comfortable, accordingly I put it here, those programming language, as well as framework, which framework I am comfortable, so accordingly I am put it here, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, Thano, NumPy, Pandas, so on. Database engines, so which types of database I already uses and my expertise like Elasticsearch, MongoDB, Amazon Dynamic, and Google Cloud. Development tools, so how many development tools I am familiar or expertise. So like I am put it here like AWS, Microsoft Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, and so on. So some toolkits, so related on implementation related toolkits I am put it here, award and achievement related information also put it here, voluntary work, and lastly I put it here, simplicity, passion, and creative is a one, and describe my approach very simple way. If you have some such kind of sentence, so you can put it here and then save. So this is the entire my about us. Now second key point comes here in experience. So experience point of view, currently I am working senior data scientist, the company name, and I am put it here small description about the project related. Currently I am working speaker diarization problem. So what is a speaker diarization and how I am implementing speaker diarization, which programming language, which framework using I done this work, so accordingly. And during my past experience I am working data scientist in natural language processing, the so and so company, my total experience, location, and there what I am doing exactly. So same as it is I am explaining one paragraph. If you are not considering such kind of paragraph, because of people are reading which types of expertise and which types of experience you have, if you are putting here short paragraph are attracting of HR or company people or recruiters. Second one, as it is each and every company profile I'm explaining about my project related explanation, like what exactly I'm doing, which programming language I'm doing, what is going on the project related key points I am put it there, each and every project, even what exactly I'm doing my university related project. And then same as it is as an education point of view, I done my postdoc and what exactly I'm doing in my postdoc. Same I'm putting here one paragraph and explain very well during my PhD what is my PhD topic, which types of key point I am executing on that time, what is my approach, final outcome. Same as it is I am putting here MPhil and other education. Why needed to put it here such kind of information? Because of if you are putting each and every information very well about your experience and education, so HR already read those key point and they have already some question related your expertise and you know about your project, your education, so you can very easily give it to HR or other technical person answer related on this particular information. Next key point comes if you have some license and certification, you can put it here in the license and certification section very well. You can put it here as an online certification informations, also voluntary related information, skill related information, and some another recommendation related information. If you have publication, so always you put it each and every publication, no matter how many publication you have, one or a number. Project related information you can put it here as a language, how many languages you are speak and very well comfortable, accordingly put it here, and such kind of interested related company. Those key points are very interesting if you want make a strong LinkedIn profile and HR are come in your profile and put it as a message. If you are really interested to looking a new opportunity, so you can very easily receive such kind of messages and you can get to reply and then receive this job position. Hope you like my tips and tricks related how to make good profile of LinkedIn. If you have any question regarding this video, otherwise you can follow my LinkedIn profile and look it out how many key point I am put it there properly, how you build your LinkedIn profile very well as a strong. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.